As my social media starts to grow, I get hundreds of messages asking about my accountability coaching. A while back, a woman in her 70s reached out to me. She poured out her heart to me. She said, "Eric, I'm too old. My health isn't great. My money is messed up. My kids keep taking my money. I'm out of shape. I have too many problems. Everything is wrong." Then she said something that just destroyed me. She told me she was ready to die. She missed her husband so bad, he was passed. She couldn't wait to be with him on the other side. She honestly felt like she had nothing left to live for. Now, let me be very clear. I am not a miracle worker by any means. I'm not. I can't erase decades of pain or terminal illness. I don't have a magic wand. I can't fix your life. She really did have a mountain of problems. She knew it though. She was honest with herself. She finally said to me, "I could never fix all of this." So I asked her, "Okay, let me ask you a question. What if you didn't have to change one thing? What if there was just one thing that you needed to change?" She was quiet and then she said, "I don't know." I said, "Okay, do you think you could take a 5-minute walk every day? Not an hour, not a marathon, just 5 minutes a day." She said, "I think I can do that." So that's all she focused on. That was her entire coaching. Not the money, not her grief, not her kids, not missing her husband. Just one 5-minute walk a day. She did it every day without fail. 90 days later, guess what? She told me something that I wasn't expecting. She said, "I actually look forward to that walk now." So I asked her another question. "Do you think you're ready for one more small change?" And she said, I guess yes. And I said, "One thing, you drink regular Coke. Stop that. You don't have to do anything else. Just eliminate regular Coke." Just for 90 days. She stuck with it. She lost a substantial amount of weight. She had more energy. She felt better. And after that 90 days, I said, "Would you consider going to a therapist about talking to them about your husband, about some of your grief?" She did. And then after a bit, she brought her kids. She told them in front of the therapist, "You're done touching my money." Think about that. None of those changed in one day. Not because she became fearless. She stopped staring at the 200 problems that she had and focused on one thing. That's what accountability is. It's not somebody going rah, 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 or judging. It's just somebody helping you figure out what the next step is and staying committed to it until it becomes a part of you. If you're looking at your life and thinking, "I'm too old, I'm too fat, too broken, I've just made too many damn mistakes," I understand. I was that person. But if you spend all of your energy looking at the mountain, just ask yourself one question. What's the next step? Take it. And then take the next one. And then the next one. That's how your life changes. One step at a time. And if you need help to get started, becoming accountable, walking with you, helping you, not judging you. That's what I do in my accountability coaching business. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I appreciate you all. Thank you. I'll see you on the next one.